All right, welcome to the final week of the quarter. On Monday night, you will submit your researched argument final draft. You'll have the opportunity to publish your draft in the class magazine for extra credit. If you passed the first timed exam with a 63 or higher, then you are officially done with the course on Monday night. If you will be taking the final exam in order to pass the timed essay exam requirement, even if you passed the first one and you want to take your score, you'll have the opportunity to do that if you wish. So you will prepare for the final exam, and our schedule this week is a little different. Instead of Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're going to be front-loading the assignments at the beginning of the week, so you'll have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So you'll prepare for the final exam on Tuesday, or by Tuesday night. Here is the reading that you will complete. And if you choose to revise either your editorial or your analysis letter, that will also be due by Tuesday night. And you can learn more about that on the revision opportunity page. Then if you will be taking the final timed essay exam, that will be due Wednesday night, along with the works cited. So we've got researched argument due Monday, preparing for the exam Tuesday, the revision opportunity is due Tuesday, and then the final exam is due by Wednesday night. And this is, again, like the midterm, a timed exam where you will open it and the timer will start. You'll have 2 hours to finish it. So make sure you set aside the right amount of time and do that at a time where you won't be interrupted or distracted. And that's it. Then we'll finish up this week and you'll have the rest of your summer to enjoy. Please let me know how I can support you this week. I am here anxious to be of assistance and to help you. So let me know what you need.